Hey guys, so I had this problem ever since I built this desk, where I needed a specific pencil and just couldn't find it or had to search way too long to find it. You see guys, when I want to write something down, for example on a to-do list, I need to do it as quickly as possible, but with my current organization it's just way too slow, so I needed to change something. But then I had this idea, a small drawer always accessible that contains all the pencil I use the most. I then roughly drew the look of the drawer and added the function through the two rails. Now it was time to bring the idea to life by designing everything with the right dimensions on my PC. After designing the two parts of the drawer, I started 3D printing. The drawer part turned out perfectly. I just had to remove the support from the 3D printing. The small drawer can hold my 5 main pens, containing my Sharpie, 4 colored pens and 1 pencil to sketch my ideas. Through the 3D printed rails, the drawer runs seamlessly. For the last step, I just needed to install the drawer in the right place. And it's done! I now have a fully functioning 3D printed drawer, which makes working at my desk a lot easier. So I've been working on this project for the past few weeks and I really enjoyed creating something useful while staying creative. Through this project I now have a better way of organizing my frequently used pens on my desk and can work more efficient on my day-to-day tasks. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you want to see more projects like this, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos.